Hi everyone, class 8. I am your science teacher Asif Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, that is LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here, as we completed the chapter number 10, so the exercise and the assessment we have to complete it from the chapter number 10, that is force and pressure, in which the first one is multiple choice question. With the objective type question, take the correct answer. In which the first question is: a force cannot change. A force cannot change speed, mass, shape. Mass. That is first B. Second, third, fourth. Second one is the SI unit of the pressure is Newton per meter square. A. Third one, we replace the bulb of a dropper with its nozzle, kept it water. Air in the dropper is seen to escape it from the bubble. Once we release the pressure of bulb, water gets filled in the dropper. The rise of the water in the dropper is due to pressure of water, D, atmospheric pressure. During the dry weather, while combing hair, sometimes we feel hair flying apart. The force responsible for this electrostatic force, fourth B. Fifth one, pressure of water, D. Here is option D. Two objects repel each other. This propulsion is due to magnetic. 6 C. 7. Water tanks has 4 fixed point A, B, C, D as shown in the figure above. The water will flow out of the same pressure from the taps at B and C. That is A. Question number 8. Oblique is given to 3 different forms. The pressure exerted by the bricks stable will be C. First one is completed now, and next one is fill in the blanks. Next one is about fill in the blanks. What it is? The unit of force is Newton. Newton. To measure the force, we use spring balance. Spring balance. Question number 3. The gravitational force is a non-contact force. The type of non-contact force. Question number 4 is muscular force is an example of contact force. 5th is defined as the force acting on the unit area of the surface. Pressure. Six. To reduce the pressure produced by the force, you can spread it over surface or area. Right, true or false for the following? True or false? First one is gravitational force pushes foot down the alimentary canal. False. The state of rest is considered to be the state of zero speed. True. 3. The smaller the area, smaller the pressure on the surface of the same force. False. Question number 4. Gases exert no pressure on the wall of the container they keep in. False. 5th. Force of friction is due to the roughness of the surface is to be in contact. True. 6. When force is applied on a body, it moves in direction in which the force acted. Now, when the force is applied on a body, it moves in the direction in which the force is acted. False. This is about true and false. Now, write the very short answer question. What happened to the speed of a car when a horse applies more forces? What happened to the speed of a car when a horse applied more forces? When more force applied by horse, then its speed horse on car, then its speed become more or become faster. Question number 2. When you drink through a straw, what forces the liquid upward? That force is atmospheric pressure. Next one is question number 3. A girl is pushing a box towards east direction. In which direction should her friend pushes the box so that it moves faster in the same direction? So, her friend is also try to move in same as east direction. When the same direction they push are, your friend also trying to push in same as east direction. Why? Because when they both try to push in the same direction, the force applied on it, that is the magnitude of sum of the total forces. Then question number 3, now question number 4. Question number 4 is, during dry weather, cloths made of synthetic fiber often stick to the skin. Which type of a force is responsible for this phenomenon? Cloths of synthetic fiber often stick to the skin due to friction. Question number 5. In the circuit shown alongside, when the key is closed, the compass will indicate the maximum direction, then the force which is caused the reflection. Magnetic force. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, does force of gravity act on dust particle? Yes, but least. Now, come to the question number 7. A gas-filled balloon moves up. Is the upward force acting on it larger or smaller than the force of gravity? The force acting on the balloon is larger. So, why the balloon moves upward? Question 7. This is question 7. Question number 8. Does the force of gravitation exist between two astronauts in space? No. Actually, they are in space. No atmospheric pressure. No gravitation force act on into the space. Question number 9. A chapati maker is a machine which converts ball of duff into chapati. What effect of the force come into the play when it takes the process? The force applied on chapati can change the shape of dimension of dough. Question number 10. A man is pushing a cart down a slope. Suddenly the cart starts moving faster and he wants to slow it down. What would he do? He would have to generate breaker by using either stone or bricks or any other solid material. So we can say that this is all about the short answer question, and here we can say no, actually they are in space, no atmosphere or the gravitational force act. Force applied on the chapatis can change its shape and dimension of the dough. He would have to generate breaker by using either stone or by any other stone or bricks or any other solid. Generate a breaker, bricks or any other solid materials. So this is all about the question number last 10, and short answer question has completed. Thank you for being here.